Install the lock body. Black circle facing down. Install the 2 fixing screws. Unscrew the 3 screws on the back panel and installing the front panel. The iron sheet is installed vertically. Installing the base plate. Install the 2 fixing screws. Install the door sensor first. Then install the front panel wiring. When installing the rear panel, make sure the knobs are installed horizontally. Then install the fixing screws. The door magnet needs to be pasted on the edge of the door, and the other half is installed on the door frame. The function of the door sensor is that when you close the door, it can automatically log it. APP pairing tutorial. First light up the keyboard. Then operate the APP to start pairing. Click to connect. This completes the connection. Fingerprint setting tutorial. Password setting tutorial. Turn on the door sensor switch. Scroll down to find the settings. Open the door sensor setting. Then you can use the door sensor normally. This step is very important, otherwise it will not lock automatically.